If you're wondering how to resend emails to subscribers who didn't open the first time, this is your quick, straight to the point walkthrough. And make sure you stick around, because I'll show you the easiest way to do it across the most popular email platforms, plus how to automate it moving forward. So let's get into it. Resending emails to non-openers can significantly boost your open rate without writing a brand new email. The idea is simple. Same message, new subject line, and a new send time, because sometimes it's just bad timing or the subject line didn't grab attention. I tested the top platforms, ConvertKit, MailChimp, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, and others, and found the most beginner-friendly way to do this in under 2 minutes using the software we'll be working with. If you want to follow along, I've left an exclusive free trial link in the description, only available for viewers of this channel. Inside this software, after your initial campaign goes out, go to your campaign analytics. Filter by Did Not Open. You'll instantly see who didn't engage with your email. From there, you click Resend to non-openers, or depending on the platform, it may be called something like Resend to unopened or Send Again. Now, this is the critical part. Always tweak the subject line. Don't just resend the exact same email with the same header. It'll likely be ignored again. You want to change it up to spark curiosity or urgency. For example, if your original subject was Don't miss our new offer, try something like Quick Reminder, offer ending soon. Also, set a delay. You don't want to resend within the same day. Wait at least 24 to 48 hours. Some software allows you to A/B test the second subject line too. Use that if available. And remember, don't overdo this. Limit resends to non-openers to just once per email. You don't want to annoy your list or increase your unsubscribe rate. If your platform doesn't support direct resends, here's a manual workaround. Export your non-opener segment, upload it as a new list or tag, and then resend the email with a changed subject. It's more steps, but still effective. The software we're using handles all of this in just a few clicks. It even has automation rules, so anytime you send a campaign, it can automatically resend to non-openers after a certain delay. If you want to automate this moving forward, I highly recommend trying it out with the link below. Key takeaway. Resending emails to subscribers who didn't open is one of the easiest ways to recover engagement, especially if you tweak your subject line and timing. Quick recap. Check your analytics after sending. Filter non-openers. Resend with a new subject line. Wait 24 to 48 hours. Only do it once per campaign. Automate it if your platform supports it. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description if you want to follow along using the software we covered today. It's available only for viewers of this channel and makes the entire process super simple. That's it for this one. See you in the next tutorial.